I once asked my parents how it was like in their journey immigrating from Laos to America. Feeling confused and afraid, had to leave their war-torn homeland.
Here I am, around the same age they were once, confused and afraid, embarking my own journey, a journey less traveled in my community and family.
At the beginning, it looked hard, stumbled a few times. Here I am as a second-year college student, and I can see myself closer to the finish line, closer to my career goal.
As a graduate student, there was no financial aid. Scholarship has helped me more ways than one. My college books and my college tuition.
I remember feeling so nervous and scared about coming to UCSD because it was going to be so far away from home, away from my family. And with the HYPU scholarship, I was able to afford books, supplies, and even train tickets to go back home during the holidays.
Even close, and has prepared me much more for the beginning of the semester.
I highly encourage everyone who can to apply for this scholarship.